In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward candidates from one interview to the next. So in this case, we have 3 candidates that we've interviewed, Jesse, Marlon, and Kim, and maybe we want to move them to the next part of the interview. So now currently it's empty, we have no candidates here, so we're just going to do our first selection. And maybe we want to move forward with Jesse and Marlon. We simply tick their boxes. And now you can see that this row was activated. If it's no one selected, you can click on these. So we click on these and we press forward selected. And now per default, it says, oh, you probably want to move them to the next interview. In case you have more interviews than just 2, you can actually move people forward to other interviews as well. So if you want people, maybe they've already done a previous interview, you can actually make them skip that and go straight to the end interview or whatnot. But the default is always to the next step. So we say, yes, we want to select these forward people to go to the deep interview. And we press forward. And now we're transported to the deep interview stage. So that means that now we can start the interview for this interview. We can of course go back and look, and we can actually see that we now have a forward marking indicating here that these 2 candidates have been forwarded to the next step. And as you can see when I hover, it says the score from interview number 2, which is this one. There's no score yet because we have not done it. You can actually click that one and get to this page. And you can actually hover here and see the information from interview 1. So you can still see what Jesse got on interview 1, but it says not scored. You have not scored any of the questions for this candidate. Start the interview, access the scoring. And then of course, when you finish the interview, you will be able to see the results from both interviews, both by looking here, but of course by going into the compare selected. So that's how you move candidates forward.